You're probably sitting at home right now and you're probably wondering to yourself, is there any work at home jobs that I can do? See, the work at home job has to be legit. It has to be something I can literally work at my computer or desk and make money doing it. Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys a way to make money, and there is literally a super high demand for this work. You don't have to leave the house, and I'm also going to show you a way to do this extremely fast. You're going to be able to produce quality work super fast. We're talking 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. One of the big work at home jobs is freelance, and particularly a certain type of freelancing. This is Indeed, and this is a place where you look to find actual jobs. In my search, you find that, hey, freelance resume writer, freelance CEO writer, scroll down, freelance writer and blogger, freelance, here's another one, brand new in Philly, freelance writer. So I'm starting to look at a little trend. Creative writer, freedom writer, freelance writer right here, United States. Another one down here in Missouri. So just by looking at this on Indeed, you can see that, freelance writing, urgently hiring. Well, how do you be a freelance writer? Well, there's lots of courses and classes and things you guys can take becoming a freelance writer. But most of the reasons is you just want to look at the instructions. When you apply for a job as a freelance writer, the person who's doing the hiring is going to give you a list of instructions of how they want their writing. Well, easy thing is just follow those instructions. Let's go to a few other freelance writer jobs. And as you see, here's another website. This is freelance writing jobs. We need writers, $30 to $45 an hour, no experience needed, at writers.work. Here goes another one. Here goes another. Freelance cloud content writer, innovative writer, marketing writers, YouTube script writer. Okay, lot of work. Full-time opportunity is a brilliant writer. Cybersecurity. Okay, let's go to another website. This one is writer's work, and as you see, it's $25 to $65 per hour based on your skill level. In this method, I'm going to show you guys that you are going to be able to become a master skill level in your writing. As you see, must be 18 years old. Okay, it's another writer. Let's go to this one. This is Upwork.com. And as you see, they hire on-demand talent. Go down here, you can see writer. All right, also designer and things like that, writer. One of the most popular ones, guys, is Fiverr. As you see, there are lots of listings of ways you can write. You can write articles and blogs, website content, UX writing, product descriptions, translations, podcast writing, white papers, ebook writing. There's many different things you guys can do in writing. We actually head up here to articles so we can see what these people are making. SEO writer content. This person wants to write a blog post, $15. I will answer a blog article for your brand, $175. Wow. I will write and edit, optimize your content for your business. Okay, professional writer, $20. There goes another writing, $40, $45. All right, Swedish articles. This guy's only got $5, but he's got a lot of them. $375. CEO friendly blog article. And as you see, guys, look. Well, there is a lot of opportunities out there just in writing. So if you want to sit at home and you want to make lots of money, why not become a writer? Well, I'm going to show you a way, guys, that you can do this extremely fast. What they're not telling you is that most of these writers are using software to do it. You can sit at your desk and you can try to write the content. It might take you some time, but you'll get it done. All right. But what if I told you there was a way to do this super fast? Here goes another one, ebook writer. Let's go to this one. And these people write ebooks. Best-selling ebook, $5, $15, $60. List goes on. This person charging $70 and they will write you an ebook, $25. This person is charging $300 to write a book. Another person right here is charging $125 to write for outline. All right. I will bring your chapter and picture idea to life, $100. All right. Here goes another one, $75. All right. So need I say more? Now, what a lot of these people are doing, they're really not sitting at their desks, sitting there trying to write someone a novel or book. All right? They're really not. They're using software. One of the best softwares on the internet is this right here, ladies and gentlemen. Scribble. This thing is only like $29. And you can literally create ebooks, white papers. You can create essays. You can do any type of writing extremely fast. It's basically the only one on the internet that does it. There are lots of many programs like Designer, but they don't actually make the content. Let's scroll over here. Let's see. Pick a template. That's all you got to do. Step 2, add the instant content into the program. And step 3, customize, publish it, generate, hit generate, bam, you're done. That's it. This is basically the all-in-one software. You can create jaw-dropping ebooks. I mean, the type of ebooks and things you can make using this program is outstanding. I'll talk about from content layout, page layout, pictures, optimization, everything, guys, for only $29. Now, I know I sound like a salesman. But I'm telling you now, most of the people that's on these freelance type sites, they're using software. Unless you just have a niche for writing. You guys can go to this website. And this has 646 articles in a database. And this will teach you how to write articles and read a freelance writer. You can read these articles and you can learn step by step and tips and how to be a writer, how to get paid, how to be a journalism, you can learn every last one. Social media writing, everything. And this is at freelancewriting.com. And you can literally learn how to do it. You come over here to hire a writer, or you can look for writing jobs. All right. So these are the resources and they teach you how to do that. But what most people are going to do, they're going to use the software. Think about this. You had a choice to, let's say, cut the grass. And you had a large lawn. Your lawn was like a quarter an acre or more. And one, you can get your lawnmower and you can go out there and mow your lawn. Yes, you can totally do it. Go out there and mow your lawn. But what if you had a robot and all you had to do was push a button and the robot will mow the lawn for you, leaving you time to do other things? Now, which one would you choose? Well, most people is going to go ahead and push that button. Yes, some people might say, I'm going to cut my own lawn. I don't need a robot or AI intelligence to do it. Until that day comes up where you're sick, you're not feeling well, you have a headache, you have a tummy ache, and you don't feel like cutting your own grass. So you might just, for that day, you might go ahead and push the button. Well, this the same thing comes with writing. You're going to use artificial intelligence, and it's going to actually help you create content that you can sell online or create your own business. Now, the type of books this thing creates is amazing. You can use this with Kindle Direct Publishing, all right, but that is another story for another day. These are the type of books that things can make. And it has plagiarism checker, and it also has freelance job search built directly into the program. This thing is
for customers to be introduced to your business, consume your content, and build a relationship with them. However, they are hard, time-consuming and a pain to create. Research, planning, writing content, editing, formatting, and all that designing. Typically you'll, Route 1, do it yourself. It can take days, weeks, or even months to design, write, and create a decent ebook or free report that people will want to download, buy, or actually read. Plus, our survey told us that no one likes or has the time to start from scratch in today's busy world. Or, route number 2, outsource it. If you were to outsource it through sites like Upwork or Freelancer, it would cost you anywhere from $300.
Now, as you see, sites like Upwork and Freelancer, people are getting paid to write content for you. You can pay someone to write your content. So just like I said, you can head on to sites like Upwork and become a writer. And what people are using, they're using software. That's the smart way. The smartest way is to use software to assist you and create this content and then go ahead and publish it or sell it on Upwork.com. The possibilities are literally endless, and the program is only $29. If you scroll down to the bottom, here goes the new coupon code of new 2020. You get $37 off, and there's about 3 days left in this offer. So trust me, if you want to work at home, you want to sit on your behind, and you don't have time because you have kids and you have family, and you want to get some extra money in your pocket, or possibly create a business, check out the Scribble. I'll put a link below in the description. You guys can go ahead and check it out. Watch the full video and you'll actually learn what I'm talking about. See you guys next time. Peace.